right, for the next part of your block printing process, after you have traced your design dark, you've gone over the whole thing, what we need to do is to transfer it on to your block. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your drawing and you're going to lay your block right down onto the drawing. You're going to get some tape if you have tape. If you don't have tape, it might be a little difficult to get it lined up. Tape will work best if you have it. I understand that if you're at home, you may not have tape readily available. Go ask your parents, go find some if you can. If not, then just try to do the best you can without. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to tape this down. And I want to tape all four sides just to get it to stick down so it doesn't move when I transfer it. If you don't tape it down, what can happen is you can get a ghost image when you transfer it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to scribble. Just going to press kind of hard. Whoops. That might happen. And you can even kind of see through the paper. You can kind of see through the lines. Now you may want to go and check, but what's going to happen is when you do this, because you drew darker on your paper, is it's going to transfer your drawing onto your block. So you just scribble the whole thing. It's kind of like a magic, one of those like little magic rubbing things that you might have done when you were a little kid. I can even see my drawing kind of emerge through the paper. Not sure if you can see that on the film, but if you can, then cool. I always tell you guys not to scribble in here, and then now I'm telling you to scribble, but you want to cover the whole thing thoroughly. Make sure you cover the whole entire image. Okay, so I've got this scribbled, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift my paper off, and voila, your image should have transferred onto your block. Now, if it did not transfer, it's probably because you did not make your lines dark enough after you traced it onto your paper. It's important to make them nice and dark. And after that, you can remove the tape, and you will be ready for the next part. So go ahead and transfer your drawing onto your block and then move on to video number 3. Have fun.